So we're here at the Rio Grande Village Campground, and we just parked over by the amphitheater parking. We're gonna walk out on the nature trail over to the Rio Grande River and let the boys see it cross into Mexico. So for whatever reason, they have the road closed over here in this part of the campground, and so we have to park on the other side of the campground and walk around. So we're just walking on the road right now. So we are about to the turn off for the nature trail, and we're excited to get down here.
I just stepped in horse poop.
So we're here to the Trailhead, and this is just a real short trail, 3/4 of a mile round trip. Split in the trail. This little spur goes down to the river, and then the trail loops back around up to the top of this hill to get a better overlook over into Mexico. Walking across the floodplain, and we are almost up to the river. Aiden, you made it all the way to Mexico. Yep, that's a different country over there. I think technically if you threw it over halfway across, you would throw it to Mexico. Ooh, almost, Caden. You might have to skip it. So, pretty neat. Two countries right here next to each other. Looking back up toward where we were just hiking the last couple days, up in the Chisos mountains. And that was the end of the trail. We just wanted to hike out to the river itself, so we didn't go up on the hill and look at the overlook. But still a pretty neat experience to be able to walk out there. Olivia and the boys got their feet in the water, and now we are headed home. About an 8.5 hour drive, so we got to get to it. Thanks for following along, and we will see you next time.